Welcome to Build with Fidelis. This is Fidelis Maiba. We want to show you this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow in Embu County, and it's a 130 square meter space. 2 rooms are ensuite. We have the laundry space, we have our kitchen pantry, we have our kitchen and a dining space and a living room area. So this is how the house has come out. These are the colors the client chose. These are gray colors and a touch of red that is above there. At least it brings a very good color in this project. So we can come in and see how the project has come out. This is the entry porch. You can see it is very big. It was the client choice. They wanted this porch to be this good. Also, you can see here we have the mazeras. These mazeras are the 2-inch mazeras that we have cladded our columns so that we can have this space very beautiful. And yeah, this is the entry. We want to show you our steel casement doors. We have done steel casement on these doors, and the windows all are steel, and the locks, all doors we do have locks, and this is done in our yard in Kikuyu. They have been transported to this place. Yeah, so you can come in, you can see how big this living room is. You can see we have done the chimney. This was an additional cost that the client wanted. She came in and saw that this place, you can see it was chilly on the outside, so this was an additional cost. We did this chimney for the client so that she can be, we have already tested it and it is very good. It is bringing it a lot of heat. We don't have smoke coming in. These are the windows that we were saying. You can see the windows, they are the steel casement. We went with the white color and the one way the bronze, we used the bronze color. So this bronze, that way you can see our doors have the bronze feel, because this is now what the client chose as the color that they are having. So you can see for the sitting room, you can see we have gypsum. This is the gypsum ceiling. Our client wanted this design in the middle, and you have the space for the snake lights. These are some of the things that we do in our project. You can either have this snake light gypsum, or we can have the 1-level gypsum. For our chimney, again, you can see we have already cladded. We have cladded with the same 2-inch mazeras. These are usually very beautiful, and like doing the big size mazeras. So we can come to the dining space. You can see this dining space is very big. You can see our client wanted to have doors going to the outside, so these are all moving to the outside, so you can be able to have a chill area. Let me just show you this first. It's a very good space where you can be able to have a chill area with your friends. You can open this door to ensure that you are having a big space. You have a lot of friends. Our client here loves a lot of friends, and yeah, very good. So this is the kitchen space. You can see this house is the same as the Kirinyaga project that we did, but it has been changed a little bit. You can see for the wardrobes, we have not yet finished. The cabinetries, we have not yet finished. We have just done the frame. Our doors, we have bought the special doors, which are usually cut with machines with decorations. Those are the ones which you are coming to have here. Our client wanted the high-end look, so we just did the frame. The doors, all of them are coming from Nairobi, so that we can be able to have a very well designed kitchen. This is where we'll be having our cooker unit. We have the cooker socket here. You can see the sockets for the microwaves. A very good space. The pantry, you can see, very big. You can be able to fit all your items, and you can even add your own gunias here. It is a very good space. So we have a steel door for security. This door will enable that if you have somebody who is coming to wash your clothes. We have done the laundry room on the outside to ensure that security of this space is good. So the laundry space has been done on the outside, you can see. So if you have your own mama fua and you don't want her to access the main house, you can lock there and leave the keys for this laundry space. So we can come and see the bedrooms, how the bedrooms are coming out. Yeah, you can see even from this view, the house is very big. So you want to come and see the first bedroom here. You can see this bedroom, it is very big, and you can see the amount of light that is in this space. Very good lighting. We have like 3 windows here, all color white. The color of this house, you are going with white. So for the door, for the glasses are white, for the walls are white. Also, we had said for our cabinets, we have done the frames. Right now we will come back again and show you how we were saying. So we are doing very beautiful doors from Nairobi so that they can be able to be well decorated. That was the client choice, and that's what we are doing. So this is the common washroom. You can see it is very big. We have the shower space here. We have not yet finished everything. This is the shower space, will be here. The toilet will be here, and the wash and basin will be here. This will be used by the person living in this room, and all the wagenis, all the people who are coming to visit, they'll be using this. So we have our second bedroom. You can see how big the second bedroom is. The lighting, you can see the amount of lighting here is very, very, very good. You can see the type of ceiling that we are having here in this ceiling is what we are having in all the bedrooms. We have a light which is here in the middle. Then the secondary lighting is the one which we have, the downlighters, which are very, very beautiful. This is the one level ceiling that we usually say, very well done. For our cabinetries, we are almost finishing. So this is the one ensuite bedroom. You can see it is, we have the shower space here. The shower will be done here. The toilets are here. You can see, we usually say we do the Frenchian type of toilets. These are the toilets that usually use the Frenchian one. So they come with its own sink where we're going to do the taps. For the doors, we'll be doing the laminated doors, and the frames all will be painted the color that the client may want. I'm thinking right now they have chosen the mahogany color. So we'll do the mahogany together with the color on the frame. So we want to show you the master bedroom. That's the last place where we have not yet shown you. And yeah, it is separated from the kids' bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. You can see very, very well lit. The windows are here, very well done, beautiful. The gypsum is done. These are the cameras. The client decided to add cameras. That's why we have a screen there to ensure you are able to see people who are coming in and out. And yeah, for the gypsum, we have the one level, the lighting that we have shown you. The cabinetries, we have shown you that they are still coming out very well. We are finishing up with the cabinetries. And this is the bathroom. You can see how big our bathroom is. So we have a defined place where you are going to do a glass for your shower case, so for your showers, and you have the toilet space which is very well done, and somewhere where you are brushing your teeth. And yeah, all the other rooms you had seen, there are some rooms which you have not done the plumbing works. All the materials are here. Our plumber is currently finishing up on all the stages. So this is a 3-bedroom, and once you can see there is something different on this. This is not gypsum. This is a slab. We have a slab above this house. Our client decided just the living room area. No, not the living room. This is the bedroom. Just the bedroom area where they want a slab above. So we are having a slab on the above space so that you can be able to have more friends, more people, more stay areas, so that you can be able to look around the compound. And that's what we have in this project. So if you want to contact us, we do such a beautiful project for you. You can reach out to us in our website, www.BATIR or you can get us in our Facebook pages, our Instagram pages, our TikTok pages, QS Fidelis Maiba, and you are going to see this project and many other projects, and even the 3D renders, how we started the project from design stage, how we handle this project. So once we finish this project, you're going to come back with Felicita and show you entirely how the project has come out, even how the doors have come out, the final paintings, the chimney. We are going to do what what is it
Transil.
The transil. We are going to do the transil to make it very shiny, and now we are going to show you how the house has come out. Thank you very much. Feel free to reach out to us and we'll be able to get back. Thank you.